said you're mixing milk on the ginger. Whoa, Nana Quadu, watch your way special. So, baby, and for one in your baby, subscribe to Nana. No, Bama, when you're in the Savannah January. Nana Quadu, why special? Savannah January. Nana Quadu, why special? Savannah January. Nana Quadu, why special? Nana Quadu teach us how to cook. You make cooking feel so fun, so good. Teach us how to cook. Food so delicious, why just lose? Savannah January. Nana Quadu, why special? Savannah January. Nana Quadu, why special?
Hello. Welcome to my channel, Nana Kweru Special. And you know, Mama Kwaba. Today we're gonna prepare some Angwa or oil rice. I hope you liked my new intro song, by the way. So it's very easy. You just need a few ingredients: rice, some oil, and onion. And I'll add some pepper to it, for which I've got some tomatoes, pepper, and garlic. You can add some sardines, which is optional. I use salted beef as well, which is also optional, but it makes it taste very nice. So first I'll cut them in small equal pieces. And I'll just put them in a pan to cook them later on. There you go. It's very salty, so I always cook it before using it. I cook it a bit so it will get softer and to drain a bit of the salt. So after cooking it for a while, I will fry it. So I'll just fry it on medium hot oil. And then I'll add 1 onion to that. And to that I'll add 2 cups of rice. And I'll add the kind of rice I use in the description. I just forgot the name, but I'll put it in the description so you know which kind of rice I use. So I'll just let the rice fry for a bit before adding my water to it. As I said, it's very easy to prepare. If you need something very quick, you can just choose to do this. It's very easy. You just need a few ingredients and it's done in a twinkle of an eye. So after frying my rice for a bit, I'll add my water. I add 3 cups of water. And I'll just stir that for a bit. And on the side, I'm gonna prepare my pepper. That's it. So when the rice is boiling, I just put it on a lower heat and just wait till it's done. And there you go, that's it. It smells delicious. And then we're ready to eat. I love it with some sardines and some pepper. You can fry an egg with it. It's delicious. This angwa, I just can't wait to dig in. So that's it. It's very easy, very quick, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the description if you want more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.